Sawadika, hi, I'm Dr. Terreni Brown. I'm Managing Director of Clean Water Wave, a social enterprise based here in Scotland that's all about one thing: water. We think that the global water crisis is something that not enough people are talking about or doing something about, and the statistics are daunting. About 3 billion people don't have access to hand washing facilities, and globally about 80% of wastewater goes back into the environment without being treated or reused. And that contributes to a situation where about 1.8 billion people are drinking water that's contaminated with feces. They're at risk then of contracting anything from cholera to dysentery and typhoid. And the pollution in our environment contributes to more than 500 dead zones in our oceans. That means that's areas of the ocean where there's not enough oxygen for marine life to survive. And that's why my colleagues Howard and Diane are currently plankton sampling in the Atlantic at the moment to help assess the impact of pollution on marine life. And yet it's estimated that only about 1% of GDP would help solve the global water crisis. So we are delighted to be working in partnership with Corsair to work together to improve our water environments. We at Clean Water Wave have developed an innovative, sustainable technology to help treat ground or surface water to drinking water standards. Our technology, the Clean Aqua for Everyone or CAFE system, can be managed with little technical know-how and needs really little energy to be able to run. In fact, it's happy to function in a rural area on solar or wind energy, or maybe even gravity alone. And that means that communities can access clean, safe drinking water without having to worry about expensive repairs or maintenance costs. Working with Corsair will help us to achieve a step change in our environment by cleaning water and helping rural communities to access safe drinking water. Corsair really do share our commitment to the environment and to radically improving our planet. Eliminating chemical and plastic pollution is critical if we're to enable our planet not just to mitigate the impact of climate change, but to thrive. We really look forward to working hand in hand with Corsair and to what the future brings in partnership. Kop Kunka.
Hi, my name is Dr. Dryden, and I'm the Technical Director of the Goals Foundation, and we're very pleased to be working with Corsair. Now we're out in the Atlantic Ocean at the moment, and the reason why we're here on our yacht Kobe Pond, it's a research boat for the Goals Foundation, is that we are marine biologists and we're very concerned about the state of the oceans. And the reason why we're concerned about the state of the oceans is because of microplastic pollution and chemical pollution, which is impacting on the productivity or the marine life, particularly the plankton that live below the water. Now most of our oxygen and most of the carbon dioxide produced from the anthropogenic burning of fossil fuels is actually sequestered by the oceans. Indeed, 5 times more carbon gets absorbed by the oceans than on land. Yet we're killing all marine life in the oceans, and from the 1950s we've lost more than 50% of marine life. And over the next 25 years, with microplastic pollution and chemical pollution and the change in the pH of the oceans, we're going to lose a further 25 to 30% of all marine life. That means we'll have lost 80 to 90% of all marine life since the 1950s, and that is not a sustainable situation. So we're out in the Atlantic Ocean measuring microplastic pollution and working with over 100 other ocean-going yachts to quantify the state of microplastic pollution in the middle of the Atlantic and the Pacific. And in that context, we're very pleased to be working with Corsair and try to help eliminate the source of plastic pollution. It's only by eliminating the source and the discharge of plastic into the rivers and into the atmosphere that we stop it entering the ocean. And that's the only way we're going to solve this problem.